Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today I am here with the second lecture. It's the chapter number 2, class 4th, Evolution of Computers, and page number 11. We discussed in our previous slide about the evolution. It's a gradual change toward advancement is called evolution. So today we move ahead and we cover some new topics, but before covering the topics, we just share the tip of the day. Feel the pains of others. Always try to wipe the tears of others, your friends, people who are in pain in your surrounding. It's really a good deed. You will feel really comfort and you will feel very good if you do something good for the person who is in pain. So, tip of the day is feel the pains of other. Next thing is the paragraph explanation. The internet emerged in the 1970s. It enables data to be passed through a network of computers joined by wires, cables, or satellite. A local area network or LAN is a computer network covering a small area such as home or an office. A wide area network or WAN covers a larger geographical area and is made up of two or more LANs. The internet is the example of WAN. This is totally about the internet. As you know very well about the use of internet today, there is nothing is going without internet. Everything is present on the internet. If you feel any difficulty, you just get the solution within a minute through the internet, through the Google, and you just find the thousands answers and research in front of you. So internet is the essential part of our life, but we don't know about the internet and the devices we use to connect the internet and how we are connected with the whole world. So which devices we use to connect with the whole world are different kinds of wires like coaxial cable and devices like modem or satellite communication system. But here you can see the two terms. The number one is LAN. What is LAN? LAN is a small network in a building, in an office, or in 2 or 3 buildings. LAN uses different kinds of wires to make a network. It travels data from one computer to another computer, but in a building or in a 2 or 3 buildings. And WAN, the other name of WAN is internet. It covers the geographical area, means if you are here in Pakistan and your friend or your relatives are living somewhere else, you want to send or you want to connect with them, you want to join your friends, you use internet or WAN or wide area network. In a second, you can just convey your message and you can receive the message over the WAN. So this is the difference between LAN and WAN. Here just see the examples of network and internet. In the picture number 1, you can see a local area network. It's a connectivity on a small area. You can see here are some computers. 7 computers are connected with the main system. Main system is called your server. Through servers, all the computers can receive or send the data through the wires or central device. There are many kinds of LAN network. Many devices we use to make a LAN network. Sometimes we use cables, sometimes we use some central devices, and sometimes we use a central wire or central connectivity. So difference between network and internet is network works unlimited area and internet works worldwide. This is the main difference. Other name of internet is WAN. In the second picture, you can see the word, the globe of the world, and the connectivity from one place to an other place. And how is it possible that if we are sitting here and we can send our mail and messages, pictures and videos from our home to anywhere in the world, even at the last corner of the world. So here you can see the picture through the satellite, through the waves. These connections are possible, and we can connect with each other through these satellite communication system, or sometimes wires and different other devices we use. So this is the difference between network and internet. Here is an internet. As you know, internet is the essential part of our life. Without internet, nowadays life is not possible. Everything is going smoothly on internet, through the internet. All the people are connected with each other through the internet. They are connected with the universities, with their businesses, with their offices, and so many researchers are through the internet. They are doing it. Like, internet is a worldwide area network. We are connected with the whole world by using internet. Internet is formed by joining cable, as I told you in the previous slide. They're joining by the cables, satellite and wires, but it gives the opportunity. It's a great opportunity. We are living in a very advanced era, and in the history, if you go to the visit, if you search and if you visit the life of the caveman and life before 10 years ago, 10 years before, you just get people were not connected with each other. It was really difficult to connect, to make a connection with people, but nowadays it's a matter of seconds and you can connect anywhere where you want to send. We are very active on social media. You just get so many information through the social media. You just get the current news, current situation. You can watch the live matches, live events even on the internet. So internet is a wide area network. Its connections are spreaded all over the world, and we can just connect anywhere from our home. The next thing is LAN. As I told you, LAN is a small area network. It's a local area network connecting 3 or 4 computers by joining through cables. You can add the more computers as well in a single building or cluster of building. Means if 3 or 4 buildings are joining with each other with the same wall, that is called cluster of building. Is a local area network. Its range is not wide like internet because it's a smaller area network. Commonly, the offices, organizations, and computer labs in educational institutions make such networks to share their information from one computer to the last computer. And if they want to teach something through the server, they use this method by connecting the LAN. Here in the previous picture, the picture was about the LAN. You can see those computers were connected with a central wire, with a wire in the form of ring. But here you can see a central device. This is called hub. All the computers are connected with central hub. The hub is the main and central device to share the information through the network. So this is the definition of LAN. WAN is, as I told you, the other name of WAN is Internet Wide Area Network, is also called Internet. It covers the geographical area, means worldwide connectivity made up by the joining 2 or more LANs. Like if you have one LAN in a building and another LAN in another building, if you want to join these 2 LANs, you need wide area network to connect with each other, with all the computers. So wide area network is an internet. Thank you so very much. It's all about the internet and communications. And in my next lecture, I'll give some more details about the topics. Thank you and stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.